In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to align two objects in Inkscape quickly and perfectly, even if you've never used the alignment tools before. This is one of those small skills that makes a huge difference in how clean and professional your designs look. Whether you're creating logos, icons, or simple layouts, getting your objects lined up properly is essential. And the best part is, Inkscape makes this really easy once you know where to look. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple Inkscape tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your Inkscape project and make sure you have at least two objects on your canvas. These could be shapes, text, or any elements you want to align. Now, click and drag your mouse to select both objects at the same time. Alternatively, you can hold down the Shift key and click each object individually to select them. Once both objects are selected, the next step is to open the Align and Distribute panel. You can do this quickly by using the shortcut Ctrl+Shift+A on your keyboard. This will bring up a panel, usually on the right side of your screen, which contains all the alignment options you need. Now that the panel is open, look for the section labeled Relative to. This is very important because it determines how your objects will align. For example, if you choose Page, your objects will align relative to the entire page. If you choose Selection Area, they will align relative to each other. In most cases, when aligning two objects together, you'll want to select Selection Area so they line up based on their current positions. Next, look at the row of alignment icons in the panel. These icons control how your objects snap into place. If you want to align both objects along their left edges, simply click the Align Left Edges button. This will instantly move them so their left sides match perfectly. If instead you want to align them horizontally, you can click Align Top Edges. This makes both objects line up along the top, giving you a clean horizontal alignment. You can experiment with other buttons here as well, like centering objects or aligning right edges, depending on your design needs. And just like that, your objects are perfectly aligned. No guesswork, no dragging things around trying to make them look right. One quick tip: always double check your relative to setting if your alignment doesn't look right. That's usually the reason things don't behave the way you expect. And that's it. You now know how to align two objects in Inkscape and accurately. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy design tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.